The universe wants you to trust yourself. Right now, you are believing in God, you are believing in universe, you're believing in the extended power that this world has for you, but you're missing out on something. You're missing the main thing that is needed in your life. You're not trusting yourself. खुद पे विश्वास that is not there for you. सब पे विश्वास पर खुद पे विश्वास नहीं. You are putting the trust on everything else, everybody, every energy, every crystal, every stone, thinking that something will get done because of that, but on yourself, zero. There is zero trust on yourself. So today I was not well. You can see it from my face. 2025 has been a tough year for me, although I'm very grateful for YouTube. Physically, my health has gone ups and downs and ups and downs. So I was really dejected. I was really upset. How many times I have to go through with this physical illness and all of that. And I just closed my eyes and I prayed to God. I said, I trust you so much. Why are you putting me down so many times? And then there was this thought which came, you trust me, but do you trust yourself? You trust me, but do you trust yourself? And that changed the entire mindset. And then I was now sitting, I was realizing that I am trusting so much on God, I'm trusting so much on the universe, I'm trusting so much on astrology and all of that. But am I trusting myself enough? Am I trusting the parenting my parents gave? Am I trusting the values that I hold? Am I trusting the strength that I have? What is the use when you don't have inner strength? Inner strength is what will save you through universe. Some people I have seen, they have completely lost their path because of God. They are worshipping God, they are doing puja every day, but they feel like nothing is happening to them. This is why nothing is happening to them. The entire bundle of trust is being thrown on the God and universe with not even a single percentage to be left on you. Wake up, get up. It's difficult. Get up, go and put that trust in yourself. Go and do the uncomfortable thing. Go and do the thing that's making you afraid. Because when you trust yourself and when you get it done, that is when the universe will say Tathastu. That is when God will say, see, I know you can do it. I was just waiting for you to realize that. All the naam jap you're doing, all the prayers you're doing, I'm not telling it's of no use, but it will be of less use unless and until you completely have that trust in you. Today I'm going wrong, so what? Tomorrow I'll become better. Today I'm sick, it's okay. Tomorrow I'll become extremely fine. Today things are not going well. It's okay, I trust myself. Tomorrow I'll rise up stronger like the phoenix bird. You get that? This is your message today. खुद पे विश्वास, खुद पर विश्वास, भगवान पर भी विश्वास. Both विश्वास is very important and you are sticking only to भगवान का विश्वास. This is today's video. I wanted to come down and share it with you all today even though I am sick. You can see it from my face. Wishing for a speedy recovery for myself also. Take care of you. Take care of yourself. Take care of your body. Take care of your mind. I will see you all in another video. Until then, Ram Ram.